guy.
We're very much gonna be working on my 2003 Honda Civic 4-door. Today we're gonna be very much gonna be not replacing, but like putting a new headliner in, because obviously this got scratched up from previous owner, I believe. So it's gonna do something different, just kind of replace it with a black color one headliner. I guess bought this fabric, so he's gonna glue it over this original headliner. So we're gonna drop off the headliner, and then we're gonna put some like little strips of light, like little dots of lights everywhere. So it's gonna be like a lit up ceiling, I guess, kind of like stars, right, Milan? Yeah, like it. So it's gonna be like a little effect, I guess, with the controller and everything. Got it for like 40 bucks on Amazon. So just gonna try something different, just testing things out, you know, having fun with the ceiling here, the headliner you call it. And then Milan's gonna be helping me out. So we're pretty much gonna drop the headliner by removing like sun visors, the pillars, these covers here, these ones here, the back ones in the back row, and then some of these light covers, the handles. Nothing too crazy, nothing too hard, just pretty simple. And then it should come out through the front door here, this area here. So we'll show the process. And then I bought some spray glue, I guess, from Gorilla Glue, I guess the brand, and then spray it down and put the extra new fiber stuff that I got. I'll show you guys in a little bit. First we're gonna just drop this down, and then Milan's gonna give me a hand, right, Milan?
Yes.
If I alright, let's go. So there it is. I pretty much took all the pillars, trim pieces apart, and the A, B, and C pillar, and then took all the dome lights out, the sun visors, both sun visors. Pretty much is it. It took us what, like 15 minutes maybe? That's pretty quick. Yeah. So it's not too bad. Now I'm just gonna drop the headliner. Oh, the last thing I gotta do is take this cover off, I'm sure. And after that, I should just start working it around. It should start coming down now. I'm sure it's just a bunch of clips. And then I'll lay down on maybe the ceiling or the roof or the floor somewhere over there and figure out the fiber piece that I'm gonna put over it. So I know we're staying hydrated, right? Kind of warm in the garage. Get the fan going.
Yeah.
Keeping us cool in here. It's not too hot, but just a little warm, but it's alright. Alright, that's the next step. Well, there it is, the good old headliner. All removed. Top of the car right now. Here's the inside. All bare metal. Some of the headliner, dome light wiring here, and then part of the remote start as well. Milan's just chilling right now. So yeah, now we're gonna get the fiber and then install it, start laying it out, mounting it up, and see how much we're gonna use of it. So here it is, the new headliner material we're gonna use. Working out kind of really good. I mean, a little over the edges, but we'll just sneak them in there, cut the edges, whatever we get excess. Here's towards the edge of the front, and then towards the edge of the rear is over there. Here it is. So it's good to have excess. We just cut it out whenever we're done. Obviously I still gotta cut the holes everywhere for the handles. We'll do that after we're done gluing it down. So that's no biggie. But yeah, not bad. Not bad. I think the measurements were, who were this fiber thing? It was hold on, let me see. It was 54 inches by 60 inches. So there you go. Alright, let's start gluing this stuff. So this is the product I bought. Some spray adhesive, I guess, heavy duty stuff from Gorilla Glue. Just gonna spray down the surface of the actual headliner, and then we'll see how good it glues. How good it sticks, should I say. And it says allow 1 or 3 minutes before joining, 10 minutes depending on service type. So I'll probably let it sit for a couple hours just to make sure it heals. Alright, here we go.
I love your video you're creating, Daddy. Yeah.
Thank you.
what he's doing in the camera is in real life.
Yeah, it is.
I can also watch it in real life. It's a spray.
Well, there it is. Just gonna let it dry up, and then I gotta cut up the holes. Not perfect, but not. Should have started it with a little bit more. Left a little slack on the front here. And once I got towards the end, yeah, I didn't have enough slack, so it's whatever. It wasn't perfect. Just a headliner for an 03 Civic, my winter beater. So yeah, better than before. So next thing, I gotta cut the holes, and that's it, right, Milan? Okay. So there's the strain of lights. It's 150 lights. At the end of each one of these will light up real much. Each one of these will light up at the end. So we're gonna pretty much poke 150 holes, since it's 150 little lights throughout the whole seat, the headliner here. We're gonna pick and just kind of poke through in one and poke one of these through, and just kind of lead them through all the way throughout the hole.
Water.
And this is why I kind of routed it for now, just to have the in the right front corner is probably where I'm gonna have the area around here. Or probably right there, I'm gonna have the unit where it powers up, and then it's powered up by the accessory socket here. So we're gonna do that. It's gonna be 150 holes. We're gonna use a pick, just something simple, something like a pick like this, and just gonna kind of poke through holes, 150 holes. Right, Milan? Okay, let's go. Here is the final 150 little holes I made to get all these things through the headliner. Hola, Chinito! I zoom in on this one. Doesn't want to zoom in. Anyways.
Hey!
Look at that. Whoa!
So many.
150. So we're gonna put this headliner back up.
It kind of like so many cobwebs.
Yeah, it does look like cobwebs. Put the headliner back up and then cut every single one of them. Here's the main connection here. So we'll see from there. What's up, Milan?
Hiya.
Hello. We're just cutting them up right now, as you can see. Some of them already cut. These are our strands, extra an electric forest.
Yeah.
So he's gonna finish cutting up the rest, and then I'll post a little video, record a little video of it. There you go. Product. Here we go. Nice. Oh wow, look at that. I changed different colors. Try out different colors. It's white right there. So there you go. That's purple, red, purple, pink, orange, green, all the colors, right? Nice. It's the controller, right? I guess you could control with your phone too if I had an app. What is this? This is it. Final finished product after I cut up all the strands.
I gonna make a disco party.
You make a disco party? Alright.
I'm making a disco party. Look.
Let me see. That's so cool, right? So guys, that was it for the video. I'm Milan. That was it. Headliner. I guess you could call new layer, new fiber. And no more scratches here like it used to be, and then lights
Here you go.
installed. All right, thank you. All right, say
Bye.
say bye bye.
Bye.
All right, until next time. I'll see you guys. Take care.